case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
The New York Supreme Court Appellate Division ruled on an intriguing lawsuit in 2002 that revolved around the burden of proof involved when a person's mental state is in question. This case, known as In re Martin, illuminated the fact that if medical evidence supports a diagnosis of mental illness or defect, the opposing party must demonstrate the individual's mental capacity to engage in legal actions. The contested matter was the appointment of Ellen J.S. and Stephanie S.W. as personal needs guardians for a dementia patient named Rose S. The contentious point was the validity of a healthcare proxy instituted by Rose. In a surprising twist, Rose's dementia diagnosis had been made just 1 day after the signing of the healthcare proxy. Martin G.S., the appellant, found himself battling against the odds in the lower court. The lower court had initially upheld that the healthcare proxy was valid. However, the Supreme Court disagreed with this decision, declaring the healthcare proxy void. This was primarily due to the fact that the onus of attesting Rose's mental competence fell squarely on Martin G.S., a burden brought on by evidence of Rose's mental disorder. Despite Martin G.S.'s insistence on Rose's ability to understand the implications of the proxy at the time of signing, the court found his proof insufficient. He could not clearly demonstrate to the court that Rose was not under the effects of dementia or confusion when she signed the proxy. As a result of this failure on part of Martin G.S., the Supreme Court invalidated the healthcare proxy. Finally, the Supreme Court upheld the initial order without imposing costs, dismissing the remaining contentions as lacking in merit. The saga of In re Martin thus provides an illuminating insight into the legal challenges faced when determining an individual's mental competence in the eyes of the law.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit LSD.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.